You ever wonder why developers are the best in the world? Look at this bad boy here, how nice they are made. And look at this, how it's like 1970s. These are the instructions on how to put on and clean air conditioning knobs. That's what they are. How to take off. Please protect. This one is black with a micro line of silver, which is acceptable. Simply just place over, gently with one hand I'm doing, and I could pull them off. Not that difficult. So we just push on. Now look at the difference. It still shines with the silver. It's not black, if you're asking me. But it's a lot nicer than the one on the side. These go for up to $40. These are $10 ones. Well, let's see if this one slips on. Easy, not as easy. Maybe if it's on that one, as easy as peasy. I'm having such great difficulty putting them on. I really am, single-handedly. That one's tight. There we go. Now it's on. All done. I'm able to turn, do what I need to do. These are the air conditioner ones, the vents, and they go over. Now I'm not sure if I want to have them on there. So we'll leave them on the side because these are the three that were asked to be removed. I even have one over here to cover the push start and stop. What for? It's already black. So if you're interested in one of these kits, check them on out. They're a great kit indeed.